Hey everyone, how's it going? So this is the DYU D3F mini e-bike with the rear hub motor and full disc brake in the front and the rears. It comes pre-assembled, as you can see here. The only three items you have to install or just mount on is the seat and the two pedals, and that is it. It has a foldable stem. The brushless motor is in the rear, 250 watt. Great for city commute or just to have fun. And they do sell this right now. We'll post a link where you can find this. Again, really easy to assemble. It's already pre-assembled. You just need to put the seat on and the pedals. So let's see what else is in here. You have some mud guards for the rear. You don't have to mount that as well. And then here are your pedals. It's just spin on. They give you the tools to mount. And they also give you an extra LED light for the rear. Obviously, you have a charging adapter. And that is it for this e-bike. So we'll go ahead and get this bubble wrap, and we'll install the seat, fold up the stem, put the pedals on, and the butt guards for the rear tires. They have it on for the front tires already, and we'll see how it looks like fully assembled. It does have the front LED headlamps. Very nice touch. So you have full visibility. These are 14-inch wheels. Again, from DYU, link in the description. And here with the handles upright, it comes with a belt. How to turn on and off. It's on the left, there's a switch. There's actually a physical switch. Off, on. Has a light battery indicator on the right, and you can turn on the lights, headlights with this switch. Hold it down for a few seconds. And you have this bright, nice headlamp. And in the rear, they do give you a LED rear brake flasher, not brake light. You can have it flashing in different speed and solid red. So that comes with the bike. The seat does have some springs, very soft. Here's with the seat on and the stem up, the handlebars up. 14-inch wheels, very comfortable. The battery is right here, and you can see how they clean up the wire. Very nice. To charge it, just plug it in and let it sit for a few hours. It's fully charged in just a few hours. You can go up to 30 miles or more on this bike at speed of 15 plus miles per hour. So if you're interested in this bike, check them out. DYU, link in the description.